Hello, light and masked warriors. You are welcome back to your favorite safe space. Kindly like, comment, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe after watching this video. Let's dive into our focus today. We will be talking about creating a life you love. Designing your ideal day. Designing your ideal day is important because it gives structure, clarity, and purpose to your life. Here's why it matters. Clarity of vision. When you design your ideal day, you define what success and happiness look like for you on a daily basis. This clarity helps align your actions with your long-term goals. Intentional living. It moves you from reacting to life to creating it. Instead of letting your schedule control you, you take control of your time and energy. Improved productivity. Knowing how you want to spend your time allows you to focus on high-impact tasks and avoid distractions or time wasters. Better work-life balance. By consciously scheduling time for work, rest, and personal growth, you create space for both achievement and fulfillment. Emotional well-being. A well-designed day includes time for self-care, relationships, and meaningful activities, which boosts your mental and emotional health. Compounding benefits. Repeating a well-structured, intentional day leads to powerful long-term results, greater health, wealth, skills, and satisfaction. Here's a short story. Emma was a rising star in a fast-paced tech startup. Promotions came quickly, and with each new title, so did more responsibilities and more compromises. She started skipping family dinners, ignoring her sketchpad, and brushing off her Sunday hikes. It's just the cost of success, she told herself. One weekend, completely burned out, she took an impulsive solo trip to the mountains. No Wi-Fi, no emails, just trees and silence. As she hiked, a sudden storm forced her to take shelter in an old ranger cabin. There, pinned to the wall, she found a dusty mirror and a quote carved beneath it. Know who you are before the world tells you who to be. That night, Emma took out her sketchpad for the first time in years. She drew by candlelight her family, the mountains, her childhood dog. She realized those drawings weren't just memories. They were pieces of her core. Connection, creativity, and peace. Back in the city, she didn't quit her job, but she made changes. She declined the next promotion, scheduled daily sketch breaks, and started leading mindfulness workshops at work. Discovering her core values didn't change what she was good at. It reminded her why she did it and who she wanted to be in the process. Intentionality is the practice of consciously choosing your actions based on your core values and long-term goals, rather than simply reacting to circumstances or falling into habitual routines. It means living on purpose, not by accident. Why intentionality matters. Without intentionality, it's easy to drift through life doing things that don't really matter to you, like chasing others' approval, scrolling endlessly on social media, or saying yes to commitments that drain your energy. Over time, this creates a gap between the life you're living and the life you actually want. How to align your daily actions with what you really value. Identify your core values. Reflect on what truly matters to you. Is it family? Growth? Health? Freedom? Contribution? Write down your top 3 to 5 values. These are your guiding compass. Set clear intentions. Ask yourself daily or weekly, what do I want to create or experience? Your intentions should reflect your values. Example, if you value health, your intention might be to nourish and move my body every day. Audit your time. Track how you currently spend your time. Compare it to your values. Ask, is this action moving me closer to what matters most or further away? Design your days. Build routines, habits, and systems that reflect your priorities. Use tools like to-do lists, time blocking, or journaling to stay aligned. Say no more often. Being intentional often means declining good opportunities so you can say yes to great ones. Protect your time and energy for what truly matters. Review and reflect. End each day or week by asking, did I live in alignment with my values today? What would I do differently? This keeps you on course and helps you grow in self-awareness. Bottom line, intentionality isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware and deliberate. It turns a busy life into a meaningful one. The art of prioritization. To prioritize tasks based on values and goals. Identify what truly matters to you, your core values and your long-term objectives. Then, choose tasks that directly support those values and goals, focusing first on high-impact actions that bring you closer to your desired outcomes. Concept of non-negotiables, the essential activities that make a day truly fulfilling. Non-negotiables are the essential activities or habits that you commit to daily. No matter what, these are the actions that align closely with your values and significantly contribute to your well-being, growth, and sense of fulfillment. Whether it's exercising, journaling, quality time with loved ones, or focused work on a personal goal, non-negotiables ground your day with purpose. By consistently honoring these priorities, you build a life that reflects what truly matters to you, building blocks of your ideal day, balancing life, work, creativity, growth, relationships, and self-care. A fulfilling life thrives on balance across key areas. Work and creative pursuits give us purpose and a sense of contribution. Personal growth through learning, reflection, and challenges helps us evolve and stay aligned with our potential. Relationships offer connection, love, and support, grounding us in shared experiences. Self-care, both physical and mental, ensures we have the energy and clarity to show up fully in all areas. Nurturing each of these dimensions creates harmony and a deeper sense of meaning in everyday life. Here are useful actionable tips. 1. Work and creative pursuits. Schedule deep work sessions. Block uninterrupted time, 60 to 90 minutes. For focused work, no multitasking. No notifications. Set clear daily outcomes. Start the day with 1 to 3 priority tasks that move your goals forward. Create a creative ritual. Light a candle, play music, or sit in a specific spot to signal your brain it's time to create. 2. Personal growth. Daily learning habit. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes to reading, listening to podcasts, or taking a course. Reflect regularly. Journal. In the morning or evening to track progress and gain clarity. Try something new weekly. Challenge yourself with a new experience, skill, or perspective. 3. Relationships. Plan quality time. Schedule weekly activities with loved ones, meals, walks, or date nights. Be fully present, put devices away during conversations and focus deeply on the person. Express appreciation. Send a thoughtful message or compliment to someone daily. 4. Self-care. Incorporate mindful movement. Stretch, walk, or do yoga to reconnect with your body. Set screen-free zones or times. Protect your peace by disconnecting for a few hours each day. Prioritize rest. Build a calming wind-down routine, dim lights. Read and sleep consistently. You can experiment and adjust the above template based on what best resonates with you. From template to reality. Addressing common roadblocks. 1. Time constraints. Solution. Prioritize your top 1 to 3 non-negotiables each day. Use micro-moments 10 to 15 minutes for meaningful tasks like journaling or stretching. Batch similar tasks and cut low-value activities to reclaim time. 2. External demands. Solution: set clear boundaries by communicating your priorities to others. Use time blocks for focused work and protect them. Learn to say no or not now to non-essential requests without guilt. 3. Self-sabotage. Solution: identify your triggers: perfectionism, procrastination, fear, and replace them with small, consistent actions. Use accountability tools, habit trackers, check-ins, or a coach to stay on track. Celebrate small wins to build momentum and confidence. Take the first step toward your ideal day. Your ideal day isn't just a dream, it's a decision. Start small. Choose your non-negotiables. Design your time with intention. And take back control from distractions and demands. This isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. When your days reflect what truly matters, fulfillment naturally follows. So don't wait. Begin today. Implement your ideal day template and experience how even simple shifts can transform your focus, energy, and joy. Your best life is built one intentional day at a time. So here's your moment. Start crafting your ideal day, not someday, but today. Pick just a few non-negotiables. Block out time for what matters. Protect your energy. And show up not for perfection, but for progress. Because when your day reflects your values, everything starts to shift. Your focus sharpens, your stress fades, and fulfillment takes its place. You don't need a massive overhaul. You just need a conscious choice. So take that first step. Start living your ideal day, one small, powerful action at a time. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes.